the main rival of China team in Tokyo Olympics. China team is doing the close training at Weihai. This close training is the final step before the Tokyo Olympics. The table tennis competition in this Tokyo Olympics will take place from 24 July to 6 August 2021. The mixed double and two single events occur first. The mixed double final is scheduled for 26 July, with the women's single final and 29 July and the men's single final the day after on 30 July. The team event will begin on 1st August, with the women's finals on 5 August and the men's on 6 August. The main opponent of the Chinese national team can be seen on the wall. Men's single, Tier 1, the most important rival group, Timofey Dmitry Ovcharov, Tomokazu Harimoto, Lin Junru, Matthias Fach, Ian Pitchford. Men team, Tier 1, Germany, Japan, Korea. Women's single, the first group, Mima Ito, Women's team, Japan.